know.
Hello, good evening. We are from the farmer team. We like to present our Bangkit Capstone project that is automatically botanical farming, maintenance from pest and disease, or Autotani. Before we go further our presentation of our Capstone project today, I would like to introduce our personnel. Okay, at first, my name is Gabriela Tambunan. I am from cloud computing student, and then there's my friend Mese SD Nibatonis from Android student, and then Muhammad Taftiyan, Android student. Next slide, please. And Julius Johan, cloud computing student, and Davin Dalta, machine learning student, and M. Faisal Rizqy, machine learning student. Okay, before we go further, I would like to our friend M. Faisal Rizqy to present our background out of the Capstone project.
Okay, thank you, Gabriela. I will tell about the background of Autotani Capstone project. Here's the background of our Capstone project. Number one is lack of role of young farmers in the utilization of agriculture in Indonesia. Number two is make it easier for young farmers to learn about disease and in agricultural crop. Number three is make it easier to know that characteristic of plants experiencing disease. And the last, number four, make it easier to find solutions for plants that are experiencing disease and make management more efficient so that the drug use are not excessive. Next, Davin Dalta.
Okay. For the next slide, here it is for the farmer age range in Indonesia. The age range of most farmers today is 35 to 55 years. For the age of 35 years and under, it is very little. However, they will replace the generation before them. Therefore, we think for the young generation, the pattern of agriculture must be changed based on digital technology.
So
So this is about the project Bangkit Capstone project for Autotani by the farmers team, and my friend Taftiyan will this next slide.
Okay, thank you for the time. For the timeline for our project, first in April, we make machine learning model for the Capstone project. Then in May, we use cloud computing for getting API and development for the app. And in May, we make apps for Android and implement the plan in June. Next. And three diseases of the rice. First, the bacterial leaf black, PLP or hawar daun. The disease is caused by the bacterium of Xanthomonas aurigae. Pathogen infected leaf of rice plant in all plant fruit stage for nursery to harvest. Then rice disease B, Tambo rice plant disease. Rice plant that are affected by the disease will experience decay in the flower of rice plants and also make the plants not flower. Next.
And now I would like to explain how to write disease. At first, bacterial leaf blight or BLB, or in Bahasa Indonesia they say hawar daun. Control this disease by cutting the seeds before planting is not recommended because it will facilitate occurrence of infection by pathogenic bacteria. And second is rice blast disease. Control of this disease can be done by fertilizing with nitrogen fertilizer with a balanced dose and not too high. And then the third is RTP or rice to grow virus. Control of disease can be done by spraying fungicides properly and regularly, and also thinning before planting. Okay, our team job desk is first designing application user interface, two designing app user experience or UX, and three create Android application. Next.
For the machine learning part, we got first problem analysis, two collect and processing data set, three creating machine learning model, four machine learning model development, and five machine learning model evaluation.
And for the cloud, we use to get an API and do the API deployment on the Google Cloud Platform. Next. In Google Cloud Platform, so back again, we used to make a database, a real-time database to store the articles, seed, soil, and leaf and users. So the users can know what articles to be seed and seed, what kind of seed there in the plant, and what kind of soil and leaves, how to maintain the progress of growth plant. Next, this is the seed and the users of database. It includes genre, ID, image URL, time, and title. For the users, it includes alamat, email, gender, image URL, name, date of birth, and username. Next, this is for the storage. We use Firebase, of course. It it saves image, articles, sheets, and users. We can also upload file to the storage, and it connects to the database itself. Okay, next. For the Android side, we can continue. Taftiyan.
From the Android level part, first, the task for our team is planning and designing UI, and then we setting up UI for the app, then design system user interface, and lastly, we make app development tasks for product. Next. Okay, thank you for your attention.